Hi, I'm Lois from Delphi Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how to manually clean a DPF whilst it's still on the vehicle. Before we get started, it's worth mentioning that there are three main reasons why the filter would be blocked. The DPF is just old, and the vehicle is struggling to complete a passive regeneration. The customer's vehicle use, like regular short journeys, and that has caused the filter to block up. The engine has a fault and is producing too much soot. Now, if this has happened, you still need to find the cause of the fault after cleaning. This could be things like EGR faults, injector faults, or compression issues. Now we've gone through that, let's check if this vehicle needs DPF clean. Now I've got the DS480 connected to the vehicle. Let's connect to the engine ECU and check the live differential pressure values. So now I've entered the vehicle registration number, you can see that DS480 has automatically picked up the engine code. So now I've entered into the engine ECU, I'm going to navigate into live data and filter to differential pressure. I'm going to enter in graph mode to make it easier to view. So now we're going to start the engine. We're ideally looking for less than 10 millibar. The diagnostic tool is shown in hectopascals, which is the same as millibar. As you can see, the differential pressure value is way too high. This is going to require a DPF clean. So as you can see here, we have two differential pressure sensors. Using the Delphi technical data, you can see the left one is the pre-DPF and the right one is post-DPF. We're going to be using the left pipe for the DPF cleaning fluid. So now we've got our DPF cleaning kit. This consists of two solutions and an applicator gun. The first solution is the cleaning solution and the second one is the flushing solution. So now I'm going to pour the first solution into the applicator gun. So now we're going to remove the differential pressure pipe, connect the airline, and insert the hose into the pipe. So now we're going to empty the fluid into the DPF, pressing the trigger for no longer than a minute. We do this to stop the fluid frothing over. Repeat this procedure until the bottle is empty. Cleaning fluids in, catch trays under the exhaust. We're going to start the engine and allow the engine to idle for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the fluid to soak through the DPF substrate. So now the cleaning fluid is done, we're going to put the flushing fluid into the applicator gun. The difference between the cleaning and the flushing fluid is the flush fluid needs to be applied whilst the engine is at fast idle. Flushing is complete, but I'm going to remove all the DPF cleaning equipment and recheck the differential pressure values. When checking the differential pressure values, it's always good to check them with a gauge and with a diagnostic tool to make sure that they match. Manual check of the differential pressure values all complete, fluctuating between 4 and 7 millibar, and the same with the diagnostic tool. DPF clean completed successfully, car's ready to go. Thanks for watching today. For more videos and support, follow us on our social media or visit our Masters of Motion online hub. And if you'd like to continue your learning further, check out our range of expert-led courses at the Delphi Training Academy. See you next time.